Hello, hello, fam.
What is going on?
This is your favorite bearded CEO and normie wife, aka Jesse, G Hot or Not, aka Lux, aka David.
AKA David.
However, you know us, and maybe you don't. So, this is our way of introducing ourselves. We are here in sunny California, and I don't know what to say in one of these.
Should I be like that one guy and be, yeah, and we love each other?
Yeah, one of the submission videos or, the vote for me videos. So first of all, nobody's telling us what to say here and nobody's under duress.
Yep.
But we just won first place in our category or in our group.
As you can see right here currently on the screen.
We did not know that the competition was going to go on more than us just winning just now.
So I had no idea. She started this 7 days ago and sent me the link, and I was like, oh, what's this? And
Was it only a week ago?
yeah, it was a week ago. And,
It's like a month.
I clicked on it and it's like, oh, vote for the Luxus for wedding. We can win up to take home $20,000 towards the wedding. And we were in like 57th place. And I was like, oh, cool. We shared it out to our friends and connections over on Twitter.
Yeah.
And we went from like 57th to like 27th in a few hours.
Yeah, that was amazing. And I have to say this, I entered it because there's no mom and dad's money. His parents are passed, my dad's passed. My mom's keeping her money. We're older when you do this ourselves. It's been a blessing to find each other, so we really wanted to celebrate. So I'm just trying to make it a little easier on the purse strings with all I could do and all I really could do. Really and legally was enter competition. So I looked and this just kept popping up on Instagram.
Yeah.
So I entered, had no idea it would go this far, and now all my hopes, wishes, and dreams are wrapped up in it, which they probably shouldn't be.
And, we're not even having like a crazy,
No.
we're doing it up in the mountains locally to us. Less than 100 people. We've only got like 75 people on the books.
Winning this would cover it.
Yeah, winning this would be, tremendous.
Might even put some gas money in our tanks.
Yeah, I paid a deposit already. I got to come up with another deposit by tomorrow. Then like the food, all the things that come with it, and we're trying to go, pretty simple. And so like winning something like this, we're not even sure how. Is it cash or is it like
The prices
food?
might just be luggage.
Yeah, $20,000 in luggage.
Here's the thing.
We would give it all out.
I love opportunities like this, but they're not saying much.
Yeah.
Like, we didn't know that this was happening. I do know that the competition is legit, obviously.
Unless it's not, then let us know. But
No, there was a couple
yeah.
on here that, this is way too long of a submission vote for us video, but
it's fine.
yeah,
We keep
I
it
looked
real over here.
before I asked other people, to vote because we want them to just do the free vote, but people love us and we
Went
can't
above and
stop
beyond.
what they do.
Yeah.
I was like, no,
Did some donations.
I spent no money.
So long story short, we went from 57th to 27th. I pushed that out over my social medias, and we
mention it everywhere we go.
we got to first place this morning for the first time. We were in second for days. Then we got knocked out of first into second. So we came on live onto YouTube and Kick, Twitch, Pump, Dunk, all the places. And at the last minute, the Bearded family was able to pull us into first place.
Well, we were first yesterday, and then it was like second, first, and then first, and then we stayed, and we're like, yeah, and we partied, and then it said, vote. Now we're in the top 15. We said, what?
So we got first. You can see the confetti there. and then it reset, and now it says
rude.
voting for the top 15 ends Thursday 23rd. So there's another 6 days and 23 hours.
So we weren't born yesterday. At least we try to not act like it.
Yeah.
And we operate differently. So we thought, okay, so wait, if we were to the top 20, 1 week 15th, and then next week
Is it gonna-
10th, then
yeah.
next week 5th, like how long is this going to go on, America?
Yeah.
A month? Anyways,
So
I digress, and we just asked for your vote.
So we shot this video because we're all invested now, especially the Bearded fam, and
And
everybody can vote one time a day for free.
And you have to verify through Facebook,
Yeah.
which I didn't know. And my Facebook, I had to reopen it.
So right here, as you can see, rates
I feel like I should have done a better amount.
here.
It
can
goes
vote for
without
free.
saying, we love being able to give away and donate, and there are two, it appears very legit, worthy donation places receiving the money, Oceana and Food Bank.
Mm-hmm.
I myself have went down and done work with feeding the homeless in LA area, and I can tell you they need it.
Yeah.
They need it. And Oceana, oh my gosh, we have to protect our oceans. If you change or if one organism in the ocean goes extinct, it shifts the availability of resources for us here on land even. So we got to take care of oceans. So I believe in both causes wholeheartedly. I don't know how much goes toward them, so I hate to say, oh yeah, donate, it's going to go. I don't know. And I
Yeah,
don't
nothing
wanna-
comes to us. It's
Wait,
just,
yeah.
yeah, they're just giving you bonus votes if you help with one of those causes. But we want to try to win this, just with straight up votes. We know. I would like to think we know enough people. We never ask for anything. I was about to say a word, but we never ask for. So this
pooping
is
thing.
our ask. Just vote for us free one time a day through
Yeah.
Facebook. Boom. We have 6 days, 23 hours. We're hoping. I kind of have a feeling that if we get first again, then it's going to be like vote for your top 10 and then vote for your top 5.
In which case I will throw something, but also continue because of the people who have invested even $1 already and your time and your love. I'm going for it now. Now you done
For
ticked
those-
off the wrong girl.
For those Bearded fam, we're already going to make a product. We make some of the best beard care stuff in the game, Luxurious Bastard Beard Co. So we're going to make one. What were we going to call it? The Lux Loves or something?
Lux Love.
Yeah, Lux
or
Love
something
with the
along
date.
those lines.
And everybody's going to get one of those that's, been with us, connected on these lives and doing all the stuff and the things, but want to
Yeah.
see what's going to happen next. We're currently in first out of 15, I guess. So we'll see what happens here in the next 6 days, 23 hours, 23 minutes and 17 seconds.
Let's just take a minute to notice the picture. I love that picture of you. You look so happy. I remember what we were doing right there too.
Oh, that
We
was over on your
My side.
Yeah,
And
on
when
your
we
side.
did those the like, well, fine then, or you have a nice
Oh,
day.
yeah.
Have a nice day. It was like that.
One of those things you
that
saw on Instagram.
challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like flirty, angry.
This guy's having a nice day over here.
Dude, I know he's very distracting. It's our music. It's over here on the screen. Anyways, longest submission video
Yeah.
ever. Not submission, but kind of just shout out.
We're gonna load this up on YouTube, so we'll definitely put the link down below so you guys can vote, and then
For those of you who'd stay till the end, comment Lux Love down below,
Lux Love.
and we will give you a code for how much off.
I'll give you a code, and then when you use it, you'll know how much you're gonna save.
You're gonna get a surprise on Luxurious Bastard Beard Co.
Love you guys. Let's see what happens. We got 6 days, 23 hours. I'm curious. I kind of know. Let me see.
He's doing the coin.
I'm doing the
Not
coin.
The coin. The
if
coin.
we win first
Okay.
after this, is it gonna go top 10? Yes or no?
No, just say, are we gonna win the whole
we
thing?
gonna win the whole thing? Cam 2?
Yo.
Oh, the Bulls-
Cam
oh, the
2
Bulls
went
walking
weird again.
Yeah.
Oh.
Said yes.
Those we also sell on the website.
All
It's
right.
exciting. So thank you for your support. Keep an eye out.
Link below.
We're gonna every single day, one free vote every 24 hours, and in 7 days we'll see you back here next Thursday night. It's 7 p.m. Probably like 6:45,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
we'll do the whole thing over again, and then we'll find out. I'm gonna pad the room so that if I throw something, nothing will break.
Yeah, don't do that.
Cause if it goes another week after that,
We'll be live tomorrow, also here on YouTube
For the
for the
Beardos.
Beardos. So
yeah,
lock in.
lock in. May win some prizes from the Wheel of Wonder.
The
Wait, which way
wheel,
is it?
the Wonder Wheel
Where is it?
9000.
You know how like left is right and right is left
did, I
and
know.
up is down? Like, oh,
Yep. That's why when I had this up, I was like, right here.
oh yeah, vote.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna leave that link up there? Is that the link or just a picture?
No, that's just the picture. The link will be in the description.
You're so smart. You probably already told him that, and
Yeah.
I was over here like a blonde. Sparkles.
All right,
Okay.
we'll see you guys later.
Flex, baby.
Oh, I can't. My arms hurt.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh,
Look
did you
at,
hear my
look
elbow?
at my 10-inch. It used to be 12 inches. I'm so sad. I need to eat more protein.
Wow.
Actually, I have two protein bars. Barbell, Spencer me. Spencer.
Sponsor. All right,
Barbell.
folks. We'll see you tomorrow, maybe over on Yeah, we'll see you.
I think I turned the AC down too much.
Oh no.
Sweat. Bye, fam. Love you.